The evaluation poker is a consensus-based technique that is used by product teams to collaboratively estimate issues in their backlog for prioritization. Like in an actual poker game, initially, the team members secretly evaluate issues using the prioritization criteria. The criteria are the principle by which the team evaluate issues of prioritization. Examples of criteria include story points, revenue, and more. There are a few types of scoring methods in Ducalis that you can use when evaluating issues. The scoring method that we recommend most teams to use is the Fibonacci sequence because it helps spread out the scores. When everyone is done estimating, the team scores are reviewed on a set date for the team to check and discuss the issues where the team member scores are different. Owners or admins have the ability to block users from editing their scores when the review starts. This will help teams to get honest and unbiased opinions from their team members. If the scores on an issue are the same, then no further discussions are needed. But if the scores are different, discussions should be held over the resulting team misalignment. Attention should be paid to the members who put lowest scores and the ones who put the highest scores. The users should justify their scores to help other members understand their reasoning. After the discussion, everyone goes back to re-estimate the issues that need to be estimated again. Issue re-evaluation can be done right in the task card. If the team leader does not want to ask every team member to re-evaluate the issues, they can choose facilitators who will be responsible for just updating the criteria final scores. If the team members re-evaluate the issues themselves, the scores will be reviewed again, and if there is any misalignment, the process is repeated until the team is on the same page.